Hey everyone, welcome to our video on how to make money by writing blog articles using Chat GPT. Chat GPT is a large language model that can generate high-quality content on a variety of topics, making it a valuable tool for bloggers looking to create high-quality content quickly and efficiently. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use Chat GPT to write blog articles that can help you earn money. Here we are going to create an article with our professional video subtitles. Now, open the specific video and navigate to the transcript accordingly. Copy all the subtitles which are given above. Now we are going to copy all the subtitles and will make blog articles on it. You will wonder how easy it is. After copying the subtitles, open Notepad or Microsoft Word to paste the contents. After getting all the subtitles, you will have to remove the time slab from the contents. Make sure you will keep space from 2 subtitles. Here you will have to paste all subtitles accordingly and follow the step as given. Once you ask for blog writing from the subtitles, ChatGPT will generate unique articles from your subtitles. There are many tools you can use to check for plagiarism after writing a blog article. It's important to note that no plagiarism checker is 100% accurate, so you should use them as a tool to help you identify instances of possible plagiarism, but ultimately, you should use your judgment to determine whether or not your content is original. Create a Fiverr account. Go to the Fiverr website and create a seller account. Creating a gig on Fiverr is essentially a listing for a specific service that you offer. To create a gig for blog writing, you'll need to specify the type of content you're offering, the length of each article, the delivery time, and the price. Optimize your gig to make sure your gig description is clear and concise, and include keywords that people might use when searching for blog writing services on Fiverr. You should also include samples of your writing to give potential buyers an idea of the quality of your work. Once your gig is live, you'll start receiving requests from buyers. Respond to each request promptly and professionally, and make sure you deliver high-quality articles that meet the buyer's requirements. By using this method, you can create high-quality blog articles and deliver them just in a few minutes.